Hello, thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Chef Chantel. Today I will be showing you how to make homemade pizza that does not include any pork. To begin, I am going to be browning my ground turkey. Okay, so I have some thinly sliced turkey sausage. This is my alternative to pepperoni, which has pork in it. And this is shredded mozzarella cheese. And I have some pizza sauce. And I chopped up some green bell peppers. And this is the thin crust pizza. Okay, so now I'm just spreading some extra virgin olive oil on the pizza crust. Okay, so the seasoned ground turkey is done. The recipe directions will be available in the description. Also, do not forget to look up more recipes on my food blog at www.tgplatefoodblog.blogspot.com. Let's get started. Okay, so first you want to add your pizza sauce. Cheese. And ground turkey. So now I am adding the green bell peppers. This is a 7-inch size piece of crust, and this is also a pizza baking rack that I will be using. As you can see, it has holes in it. So I bought this pizza rack from the grocery store. You can get it from the local grocery store that sells bakeware. Now let's get started on our turkey sausage pizza. So as you can see, I am not being stingy with the cheese. Okay, so you just lay this out on your pizza as you would if it was sliced pepperoni. I think that should be it. So let's add some bell peppers. Now I'm going to make a combination pizza. So this will include the ground turkey and turkey sausage, onions, and bell peppers. Okay, so now I am adding a few red peppers. Okay, so let's bake this in the oven at 450 degrees. Okay, so now I've lowered my oven to 425 degrees. And I'm going to allow this to bake for 10 minutes. If it's not done within 10 minutes, you can leave it in for a few more minutes. Stay tuned. Okay guys, our pizza is completely baked. So I have an electric oven, so it took me a little longer than 10 minutes. It took me actually 15 minutes to bake my pizza. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to check out the 30-day weight loss challenge. I will be loading recipes to that playlist also for you. And you all have a blessed day.